Here comes trouble.
The following contest is a fatal four-way tag team match and is for the WWE Tag Team Championship. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 446 pounds, the Blue Bloods.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one.
And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
Better get ready.
And their opponents, first, at a combined weight of 499 pounds, the Club.
It's a big-time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here.
You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight.
They're here.
Making their way to the ring at a combined weight of 426 pounds, the WWE Tag Team Champions, the Iconic Duo.
The champ comes into his title defense incredibly confident, Corey.
And with good reason, Cole. When you're the champ, you don't have to worry about winning. You just have to make sure you don't lose. That is the champion's advantage.
The whole effing show.
And representing Team Hardcore from Battle Creek, Michigan, weighing in at 235 pounds, Rob Van Dam!
A man who lives his life way up high.
from the underground to superstardom, Rob Van Dam is truly the whole damn show.
Here comes the first mixed martial artist in WWE history, Ken Shamrock.
And representing Team Hardcore from Sacramento, California, weighing in at 205 pounds, the world's most dangerous man, Ken Shamrock!
Ken Shamrock earned his moniker of the world's most dangerous man, and he's set on living up to it.
Shamrock looking to make short work of his opponent tonight.
Shamrock's all business. He's not wasting time when it comes to incapacitating an opponent. I don't know who can stop him.
Ken Shamrock will do anything that enters his mind to emerge from battle victorious.
Multiple teams facing off in this tornado tag match.
In a tornado tag situation, you never know how many opponents will be targeting you. The only one on
Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
Going for the ride.
And that definitely made solid impact.
It might not be flashy, but sometimes you just gotta toss another person to make a statement. Waistlock. No, no.
My goodness. Russian leg sweep.
A match like this can have so many twists and turns. Corey, what will have an impact on this matchup?
You need to strike first. Dictate the pace of the match. Since anything goes, you can add anything to the equation.
Each competitor responds differently to the rules being thrown out the window. The key is who can stay alert and remain in control.
I wish someone would throw you out a window. What an axe handle.
Sheamus toying with his opponent a little bit.
That says something about how badly the champ wants to hold on to the title. Willing to fight like an animal.
This isn't going to be pretty.
Speed kills, and no one knows that better than the champion.
Only getting one out of that pin.
Trying to wrap up this match fast.
Oh, and a reversal. And the champ now having to deal with relentless strikes from a motivated challenger.
Crisscross.
You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win.
The challenger eating up some damage.
Yeah, Sheamus was clearly bringing the fight to him there.
Bolting down on the opponent.
Big forearm. Ooh, rolled by a huge club.
Endless knee strikes.
Just going all out with every blow.
Force going directly to the dome. That'll leave you seeing double for weeks.
Watch this, fellas.
Look at this, going right after the left arm.
Unbelievable athleticism.
It takes a certain level of athleticism to pull that off.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out.
And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one.
My God, what a striking display. Hard for the champ to have any answers when endless strikes are being rained down on you. Big power slam.
And a well-executed move we just saw there. The champ. Oh, the champ. That could have been it right there. Then we see Sheamus. Driven into the barricade. Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Ooh, gut first into the knee. This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh. Sharpshooter. Submission hold locked in. Whoa, this is surprising, Byron.
Yeah, I'm not really sure why he would let him out right there.
Oh, kick right to the back.
And Shamrock picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission.
Ankle lock in by Shamrock. Will his opponent tap out? Nice, and he got in there. I thought that was it.
You and me both.
Champ looking to end this. And the champ can't pin a temporal championship. And now here's Shamrock. Kicks out.
No backing down here. They really want to make sure the best man comes out on top in this one.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line. The champion into the cover. He keeps his team in the match.
Arm wringer applied.
Oh no. The champ has been taken to their living cover for the championship. Makes the cover. Forces the shoulder up after two.
What a match.
He knew what was coming. Boom. Compromised position here. Right to the throat.
It's been a hardship for these superstars to get to this point. I think these fans are driving them to claw that extra inch.
You can sense the run. These fans are pulling hard, and I'm right there with them.
And set right into the corner.
Overhead, belly to belly. Oh, man, he is fired up now. There's some power behind that punch.
The counter. He's outside the ring now.
Hope he's got a plan. This could be the beginning of the end.
And he breaks the submission.
And Shamrock picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission.
Ankle lock in. He gets there. A few seconds longer in this match would have been over.
Thunderous impact.
And the WWE Universe continues.
He wants it one more time. Not everyone can do that.
A championship level move.
And now here's Shamrock.
Vicious right forward. Here's the pin, title on the line.
Absolute power.
How in the world did he do that? Moves up. And Shamrock is in a daze. It could be the end for him.
Picked up. Snap suplex. Well, what a save. Corey, that should have been 3.
I couldn't agree more.
Single leg takedown.
It is cinched.
And he got in there. I thought that was it. Oh, man. Now a pin for the championship. And looking at Van Dam. The challenger's hopes are slipping away.
Not what you want to see by any means.
Drop kick.
Great height.
Picked up.
This could be the beginning of the end.
The shark.
And he breaks the submission. Getting carried around. Bad spot to be in.
The power that takes is insane. Kick right on the ear connects.
Oh, got all of that one. That's how you destroy an opponent. Hurling the back through the air and connecting.
And the damage is just going to keep on coming if you can't find the defense for this.
The pillars of this building must be crumbling from the energy these fans are putting out right now.
These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is, the champ is down, title change, I can feel it.
Face bump.
Ken Shamrock picks the leg, looking for the ankle lock submission.
Ankle lock in by Shamrock. Will his opponent tap out? An extreme amount of pressure. And he lets him out of his...
He'll be looking for the neutralizer.
The Gotch neutralizer.
We could have a new champion.
Half and half suplex. Lights out. Face first into the chair.
Gets out of there in a hurry.
Goodness, counters into a brutal clubbing blow.
And the ref gets hit with an unintentional shot there.
Face first.
Flapjack. Vicious right foot. This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh.
The shot. He breaks up the hold.
Nice counter from Van Dam.
Arm control applied him.
To the arm and a kick right to the ribs. Looking for the victory. And now Van Dam.
This could be the beginning of the end.
Uh-oh.
The shot.
And he breaks the hold. Van Dam was scouted there. And Sheamus there finds room for another devastating maneuver.
No matter what phase in the match, Sheamus never has any trouble brutalizing his opponents.
Boom. For the win to retain the championship.
And he makes the save for his team.
Hits him with the counter.
Shutting that down with the back elbow. Nice takedown. Are you ready? Here we go. One of the most mind-bending maneuvers in sports entertainment.
With the championship on the line. It is enough. Finally, it's over.
Here are your winners, and the new WWE Tag Team Champions, The Club.
And teamwork makes the dream work in this tag team victory.
A win like this always makes me happy. I kind of want to hop in there and celebrate with them.